everyone, it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you another delicious cooking video. Today, it will be how to make a delicious, healthy Greek-style salad. So, let's get started. All you will need is 1 tomato, about 5 to 6 lettuce leaves and a cucumber, as well as a bowl. First, start off by cutting your tomato into quarters, but you can also cut it in halves if you wish. Then put them in your bowl. The next thing you will need to do is cut your cucumber. So first I'm cutting them in halves and then I'm going to cut it in half again. And then put them in your bowl with the tomatoes. Next, cut your lettuce. Now I like to cut them in strips at around medium size, but it totally depends on you if you like your strips big or small. And once again, place them in your bowl. Next, get some olives, so you can have black olives or green olives, but I personally like green olives, so I'm just chopping them up and putting them in the bowl. Now this ingredient is optional, but you can add some jalapeños. I absolutely love jalapeños because they are so spicy and I absolutely love spicy food. Then get some feta cheese and cut them into small strips. And once again, add them to your bowl. In order to make the salad healthy, the dressing I am using is olive oil. So just pour some on top and mix it all together. And look at that, easy, simple and healthy. I personally like to have this salad as a side for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how to make this delicious Greek style salad. You can have this salad as lunch, dinner or anytime you want. I personally like to have this salad as a side with a meal. If you do want to see more cooking videos from me, please make sure to subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon. Bye!